Hey people, what is up? Welcome back to our channel. So, ayan, medyo ibang topic muna tayo today. And for today, we'll be giving you some tips and tricks para sa arena sa inyong Axie Infinity. So, these are will be essentially a guide to help you win more matches in your arena games. So let's get started. So yan guys, let's go over some of the key points of our arena guide for today. So ayan, first tip is of course energy counting. So yan, we're gonna count how much, or we're gonna try to keep track of the amount or the energy our opponent has, because that will help us make informed decisions kung pwede tayong mag-save that round or if we should defend, by knowing if he has the potential to combo our Axies. Of course, our next tip is knowing your combo and the enemy's combo, because knowing when to time your combo, actually, rather than just using your combo once you have it, is another key factor when it comes to the arena, because just perfectly timing a specific combo will ensure that you kill the opponent first, or make sure that he doesn't have the defense to survive your combo. So next tip is similar to the first tip, which is energy counting. Our third tip is card tracking, and actually keeping track of which Axie he used or which cards he used the previous rounds, because that usually means that that particular Axie won't be able to use the same cards, or has a least likely amount of chances to use the same cards the following round. So for example, if his plant Axie defends this round, it is more likely that he will not be able to defend the next round. So ayan guys, if you're not really following along, we will do a few games, and we'll go about some of our thought processes throughout that arena game, and hopefully that will help explain our theories even more. So our next tip is of course having a strategy and planning ahead. So this can be as simple as looking at the enemy cards, the enemy's speed or whatever, and seeing how you can best utilize your own combos against your opponent. So our last tip of today for the arena is knowing your type advantages, because again, similarly to Pokemon, each type of Axie is definitely stronger or weaker against certain types of Axies. And again, we won't go too much over it, but we'll show you again some of our thought processes when it comes to the arena in just a sec. And so here we go, we're getting into our game. And ayan, so since double aqua siya, he has a tail slap and a vegetal bite, so I'm not sure if we should defend. I guess we should just save, but if he has tail slap, he will definitely use it this round. Hopefully he doesn't. But either way, I think saving is the best option. And he's gonna go for an all-out attack, actually. Using 3 energy, he will have... So yan, ito na yung card counting natin. He only has 2 energy this round. So I guess he can try to kill, because he does have aqua, and having 2 cards can kill my plan. So we're just gonna do a slight defense. So ayan, trying to save our energy for the next round. So ayan na nga, he our plan survives because we defended that round, or actually not quite, but again he still has 2 energy, and I think we can all in his plant type. I'm hoping we get a crit. So yeah, he saved this round, so next round he will definitely have at least 4 energy. And since we have the type advantage of having a reptile against 2 aquas, we can actually do this, and hopefully we can get a kill out of it. I used my priority card, so he won't do as much damage. He attacked our plant, so this may actually be good for us. He does have 2 energy, so next round he will definitely have at least 4 energy against us. So again, we'll just use our critical escape to absorb as much damage as possible. I think we got this, guys. So he definitely has 4 energy, and that's gonna be a lot of damage.
That's a lot of damage!
But I think our reptile can handle that, especially since we have critical escape. He won't be able to deal too much damage, and with our shields, yeah, it's easy peasy, no problem for our reptile. And again, that's GG. So yeah, guys, it's very simple things you can do to try to keep track of your opponent para alam mo kung anong posible nilang gawin. And we won that because if he went all in on our reptile and managed to kill our reptile first, then we would probably lose that game kasi our beast is weak against aqua, but our reptile is actually strong against aqua. So having him survive till the last round was actually good for us. So that was a miscalculation on our enemy's part. So yeah, going into our next game, we'll quickly have a look at our opponent. So check lang natin yung speed nila, 41, 42. So our reptile will have effective attacks against their reptile because it is a lot faster than us. So again, our reptile's moves are stronger against Axies that are actually faster than us. So yeah, ayun yung laging we'll keep that in mind. So if you have similar move set, you have to always keep that in mind as well. So the first round we're gonna save because we actually have really good cards. So we don't have good defense cards, so we might as well go all in. Deal a lot of damage to him, and actually, we win that round. Thankfully, yung mga stun builds naman na yun, though they are annoying, they actually don't do that much damage. So yeah, we got lucky there because we got 3 not correct moves, and we actually managed to do enough damage to kill him that round. So yun, guys, usually our win rate pag inubos natin yung 20 energy is usually 13 wins. Yeah. So yun ang minimum natin usually on a good day. So ayan, usually 13 wins. Let's see how many we can get this time around. Ayan, hindi ko na pinapakita yung losses natin, but right now we're actually 3-2, 3 wins and 2 losses. So let's see how many we can get just using some of the key tips that we showed you earlier. So ayan, he has 2 aqua. So again, we're gonna try to fully utilize our reptile this game. So ayan, pretty basic yung plant niya.
I thought I had it all together, but I was led astray. The day you walked away, you Change my state of mind.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Love so hard to find.
we got him.
So yan, we are lucky with our type advantage there. Again, yeah, I'm happy with my reptile because it does really work well against these double aqua builds. So ayan. But I definitely lose if he manages to take out my reptile early on because again our beast is definitely weaker against aqua types. So yeah, again let's move on to our next game. And we're just gonna quickly we're gonna look at the speed because again our reptile so there apparently we can't really fully utilize our reptile's moveset this game, so we're gonna try to just use him as another tank and try to utilize our beast for the offense. Wala siyang sticky ano yun? The sticky trap thing, so he can't really stun us. So there you go, another win. And again, we're making choices based off of our enemy's energy count. So ayun, we got an early lead because he kept wasting his energy, and I predicted that he won't be able to kill our plant early on, so we just saved a few rounds, and yeah, just using a lot of the energy to just insta kill or full combo his Axies for the win. So ayan, so planning ahead, I'm thinking this guy would be fast. So yeah, is fast, so he is the target for our surprise invasion, of course. So we'll try to take out these two with our beast as fast as we can. So type advantage wise, our beast does do bonus damage to plants and reptiles. So yeah, I think we can do it. Hopefully we get the cards. Do we survive this? We do not survive it. And that was a miscalculation on my part. Actually, he does move faster, so we might lose this one. And we do. So again, that was a miscalculation.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
So yan guys, again let us show you. We have 1-7, so we do get 8 SLP per win. So yan, let's just compute kung ilan tayong win for today. So para namang maniwala kayo sa ating tips and tricks. So yan, we're gonna go to our sheet. So the other day we did have only 5,215 SLP, and today we do have 5,304. So yeah, we'll try to compute this with our handy dandy calculator. 5304 minus 5215 equals 89. So let's divide that by 8. We have 11 wins for today, roughly 60%, 50 point something percent win rate. Not bad, not our best, but again, it just goes to show you how well you will get at least 50% win rate using this strategy, and I hope it helps you out, guys. So ayan, that is it for today's video. I do hope it helps you out a lot, and again, if you have any questions, feel free to join us on our stream, Facebook Gaming at Quicksilver15. See you there, guys, and I hope again this video helps you out, and I hope it helps improve your win rates in the arena so you can get that at least 200 SLP per day. So see you guys on our next video. Please do give it a thumbs up if you do like it, if it helps you out. It really helps us a lot. And hit that subscribe and notification for more Axie related videos. So see you guys on our next video. Peace.